Well, in Corpus Christi, city and county officials updated the public today on how the county is handling the coronavirus response. And here are a few highlights from the afternoon news briefing at City Hall. Word that 3 Corpus Christi firefighters have been placed in quarantine after treating and transporting an infant to the hospital who later showed symptoms of COVID-19. The city also announcing that some 56 CPAP and BiPAP machines were donated to Del Mar College. Those machines can be used as ventilators if necessary. Tomorrow and Friday from 3 to 6 p.m., Del Mar College will be accepting more donations on their West Campus. And it was announced that small business owners are still eligible for a no-interest loan through the city to help them through these tough times. You can find out more information about it on our website, KIIITV.com.